Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Figma for graphic design. First, open Figma and create a new design file. You'll see a vast canvas where your creativity unfolds. Familiarize yourself with the toolbar on the left, offering tools like shapes, text, and the pen tool. Use frames to set up your design artboards, perhaps for a social media post of 1080 by 1080 pixels. Keep your layers panel tidy for a smooth design process. Now, let's dive into Figma's core design tools. The pen tool is crucial for creating custom vector shapes, offering precise control over curves and points. Leverage components to build reusable elements, like buttons or icons, ensuring design consistency across your projects. You can easily update all instances from one master component. Experiment with color palettes and text styles to establish a strong visual brand. Don't forget to explore the vast plugin library for enhanced capabilities. Figma truly shines with its collaboration and prototyping features. You can invite team members to work on the same file simultaneously, seeing their cursors move in real time. Build interactive prototypes by linking frames, simulating user journeys with clicks and hovers. This allows stakeholders to experience the design firsthand. Collect feedback directly on the canvas, streamlining the review process. Plus, Figma automatically saves every change, providing a robust version history for easy rollbacks. To wrap up, let's discuss best practices in exporting your work. Maintain a clean file structure with logical naming for layers and frames. This saves countless hours. When exporting, optimize your images for their intended use, whether it's a high-resolution print or a web-optimized JPEG. Figma supports various export formats including PNG, JPEG, SVG, and PDF. Consider using auto layout for responsive designs, ensuring your elements adapt beautifully across different screen sizes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.